Whether you're concerned about theft or want to check in on a mischievous pet, home security cameras provide peace of mind with real-time notifications, built-in sirens, and other security features. Home security cameras allow you to monitor what's going on in your home through live or recorded video. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the RealLink Argus 2 security camera. It works with Amazon Alexa, Echo Spot, Echo Show, Google Assistant, and can view your live video with a simple voice command. It can be easily mounted and installed both indoors and outdoors by directly connecting to a 2.4G wireless router. This security camera is all ready to go. This camera provides a built-in micro USB port so that a universal 5V 2A power adapter can charge it. Equipped with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, this wireless battery-powered security camera captures smooth, crystal-clear videos. With starlight image sensors built in, this outdoor security camera provides you with more precise night vision footage for up to 33 feet. Additionally, it supports micro SD cards, allowing users to store files locally and add up to 64 gigabytes of space to their wireless security camera. Moreover, the recorded videos can be replayed via the RealLink app without any additional subscription fees. Next up on the list, we have Nest Cam Indoor. You can watch, listen, and speak to whoever is in the room using the camera's 130-degree wide-angle field of view and built-in speaker and microphone. Utilizing 8 IR LEDs, the camera transitions from day to night settings, allowing you to keep an eye on the area regardless of the lighting levels. It features customizable options, including scheduled recording times and motion and audio detection alerts sent to your mobile device. Monitor the camera's footage using the Nest application for constant live streaming to your phone or mobile device. Powered by a micro USB cord, the camera is designed for easy installation and can be moved between rooms. With a magnetic mounting plate, the camera can be mounted to a desk or a wall or stuck to a refrigerator. Up next on the list, we have the Canary all-in-one indoor security camera. It comes with a full HD 1080p camera with a 147-degree lens view and features high-quality sound recording. It has a built-in alarm system that reaches sound levels of 90+ decibels. That's the same noise level as a running lawnmower. This camera monitors air quality, temperature, and humidity to help you understand how your home might affect your health. It's embedded AI technology and machine learning to filter out insignificant motion, identify important activity, and only alert you to what matters. Receive instant video alerts on your iOS or Android device and respond to incidents before they turn into emergencies. The next product on the list is the WiseCam Pan. This camera can monitor your room automatically with the Pan Scan feature by setting 4 predefined waypoints. Panning has a 360-degree left/right rotation range, and tilting has a 93-degree vertical up/down range. With a 1080p Full HD live streaming, it lets you see inside your home from anywhere in real time using your mobile device. It can automatically record a 12-second video clip when motion or sound is detected and saves that video to the cloud for 14 days for free. This camera is compatible with 8GB, 16GB, or 32GB FAT32 micro SD cards. And the night vision lets you see up to 30 feet in absolute darkness using 6 infrared LEDs. However, it is only compatible with the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and Apple and Android mobile devices. The white stick-up 1080p outdoor wireless security camera from Ring is a battery-powered Wi-Fi camera that captures 1920 by 1080 resolution video. This weather-resistant camera features IR LEDs for low-light recording, a 115-degree horizontal field of view, two-way audio with noise cancellation, and adjustable motion detection. The optional Ring Protect subscription plans include additional features such as a 60-day video history and video saving/sharing options available separately. Its advanced motion detection allows you to adjust your motion zones to find the ideal setting for your home. Additionally, you can create privacy zones to focus on essential areas, disable motion recording, alerts, and audio for peace. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have Arlo Pro 3 wire-free security camera system. You can install Pro 3 in minutes with no wires and view the video directly from your phone, spot unique details with color night vision, and see more in dark areas with the integrated spotlight. The advanced lens provides superior image quality, a wider field of view, and allows you to auto-track and zoom on moving objects with clarity. Receive notifications when your camera spots people, vehicles, animals, or packages, and view live video or recorded clips directly from your phone. With 3 months of included Arlo Smart, you can tap and hold on a notification to see what's happening right from the lock screen on your smartphone, tablet, or Apple Watch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show us your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.